Hey guys, Mike Arce here, CEO of Loud Rumor, a lead generation company for fitness studios. And in this video, we're going to talk about using text replacements to book up to 70% of your fitness leads. All right, now if you're watching this video, you may be watching it on Facebook or on YouTube, or the video may be embedded in our blog. If you're not on our blog watching it, definitely check it out, as there's way more stats and information to support everything I talk about in this video, and you can check it out here. All right, so if you don't know what text replacements are, your phone has them. So let's say you wanted to type "on my way," but you don't want to type "on my way" all the time. You can just type in OMW, and as soon as you hit the space bar, it'll automatically type in "on my way." So there's a lot of little cool things that you can do, but when you don't want to have to type the same thing over and over, but you do want to use text messaging, as you realize that 93% open rates are much better than 16% open rates that emails get, which is why you want to text often. You want to save yourself the time and also save your thumb muscles and give them a little bit of a break by not having to type all that stuff all the time when you could just type in a couple little digits. So I'm going to let May explain to you step by step on how you can do this too.
So if you're using an iOS device, you're going to go to Settings, click General, and then go down to Keyboard, and then click Text Replacement. In the top right corner, you'll see a plus sign. Click that, and you'll be able to type in your phrase, so whatever you want the text to say, and then the shortcut. And then just hit save and you're good to go. For Android, you're going to go to Settings, go down to General Management, Language and Input, and then Virtual Keyboard, Samsung Keyboard, and then Predictive Text, and then click Text Shortcuts, and then click Add in the upper right corner. You're going to type in your shortcut, and then what you want the text message to say, and then click Add, and you're good to go. So for either device, when you start typing the shortcut, your text will pop up and it'll be a lot quicker and save you a lot of time rather than typing out the entire message.
All right, so that's how you use text replacements to book up to 70% more of your appointments, and we got that number by watching what our other studios are doing with that system. You can learn more by visiting our blog again right over here. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can watch a ton more just like this. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.